This movie script right here is being sold for $100,000. This is a website that allows you to write and sell your own movie scripts. And you can do this with ChatGPT. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about over here, guys. Now, check this out, man. This is a two-part video series. The other part is already set up, and you can watch it directly after this one. And that is showing you how to sell songs and music using ChatGPT. So look at this. This is Deja Vu, written in 2006. This one was sold for $5 million. Talladega Nights with Will Ferrell. This one was sold for $4 million. This is just a movie script. This is not even buying the actors or paying for any production or anything. This is Euro Trip, and it's $4 million is sold. And this one has sold for $4 million. Basic Instinct, y'all know what that one is. That was $3 million. And then you can check out the rest of these guys. So I just wanted to show you that, yes, these are selling for high. You don't have to actually be in the industry to make money with it. So what did I do? I went and found this movie right here. It was a super funny movie, kind of goofy or whatever, with the girl from Resident Evil in it, Monster Hunter. Then I looked at the summary of it, and it did pretty decent in the box office right here. I took this summary right here. Then I took it over here to ChatGPT. It said, "Hello, how can I help you today?" I said, "Rewrite this movie." So we're not going to steal it. We're not going to plagiarize or anything like that. And if you think this is cool, guys, you haven't seen anything yet. Make sure you watch the video for how we were going to sell the music, sell the songs, anything. But anyway, this is how you're going to make it a 100% original movie script. So we're taking that same script, right? But then we added a few things. So we're going to take place during the pandemic. Okay, so this same movie script is going to take place during the pandemic, though. Only is going to add humor and jokes. It's going to reference famous celebrities, kind of like a parody, and it's going to take place in the summertime. Okay, so now it rewrote all of that. And you can actually tell it to take the names of the characters and switch it out with names that you decided you wanted it to be. And it's going to rewrite this entire script using a proven business model, because the Bible says to let all your ways be established. So it's using a proven script. So this movie already did good. It already got approved. And all we did, we added a few extra things to it, like with the time and that is going to take place, like in the summertime. It's going to reference famous celebrities. It's going to add humors and jokes, and it's going to take place during the pandemic. So now it has all of those different elements added to it versus just being about the monster movie. So this is a script. This is called scripts.com. It's a marketplace where you can sell your scripts, your movie scripts, and people will buy it. Okay. So, hey, if you like this one, man, go ahead and look at how to sell music, how to sell songs to celebrities using ChatGPT.